Today I'm going to show you how to change your name on your Expedia account. Whether you've recently gotten married, legally changed your name, or just need to update your information, this process is quick and straightforward. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and head over to expedia.com. Once you're on the homepage, go ahead and log into your account. Make sure you're using the correct login details to access your Expedia profile. After logging in, you'll be taken to the main Expedia page where you can start making changes to your account information. Now look towards the upper right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile icon there. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear with several options. From this menu, select Account. This will take you to your account settings page, where you can manage all your personal details and preferences. Once you're on the account page, you'll notice a section labeled Basic Information. This is where your name, contact details, and other personal data are stored. Next to this section, you'll see an Edit button. Click on it to start making changes to your information. This is the gateway to updating your name and other key details on your Expedia profile. After clicking Edit, you'll be presented with several fields where you can modify your information. The first field you'll want to focus on is First Name. Click into this field and type your new first name. If you have a middle name that you'd like to add or update, there's also a middle name field available. This is optional, so only fill it in if it's applicable to you. Next, move to the last name field and enter your new last name. Make sure everything is spelled correctly, as this information will appear on your bookings and confirmations. While you're here, you might also want to update other optional fields like date of birth or gender if those need to be adjusted. These fields help Expedia provide you with a more personalized experience, but they're not mandatory. Take a moment to review any other information on the page to ensure everything is accurate and up to date. Once you've made all your changes and double-check that everything looks correct, it's time to save your updates. Look for the Save button, usually located at the bottom of the form, and click on it. This will apply all the changes you've made to your Expedia account. Your new name will now be reflected across your profile and any future bookings you make. And that's it. You've successfully updated your name on your Expedia account, ensuring that all your travel information is accurate and current. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.